Welcome to the Profit Trap Podcast, Health Insurance Industry Secrets, for anyone who will ever own or use health insurance in their lifetime. Here's a question I have for you. How many times the deductibles could be in a health insurance plan? Let's take a look. First, we have a high deductible versus a low deductible. A high deductible plan usually offers lower monthly premiums and higher out-of-pocket expenses when you use the plan. Then let's look at a low deductible plan, which usually offers higher monthly premiums and lower out-of-pocket expenses when you use the plan. Next is the comprehensive deductible. This means you have one deductible for all services in your plan. Then we have a non-comprehensive deductible, which means it has specified deductibles for different services inside one plan. Then we have an individual hospitalization deductible, which would apply for a single person covered under one plan. Then we have a family hospitalization deductible, which is based on the number of family members covered under the plan. For example, if you had 4 family members, you may have 4 separate deductibles. Then we have the family maximum or cumulative hospitalization deductible, which is usually 2 or 3 maximum deductibles regardless of the size of your family. So if you have 7 family members, you could only have 2 or 3 maximum deductibles. Then we have the per occurrence hospitalization deductible, which can be for each time you're hospitalized for a different incident. Then we have the out-of-network hospitalization deductible, which means you have received care at a facility or location that is not covered under your plan. Then we have the outpatient services deductible, which say you have had an outpatient surgery and go home for recovery. You're not hospitalized, but you may have a per occurrence or annual deductible. Then we have the conditional deductible for things like organ transplants, etc. Then we have the ER deductible, in or out of network, for when you receive care at an emergency room. Then we have the prescription deductible, the dental deductible, the vision deductible, and let's say you were in a tragic incident and needed home health care or nursing home care. You may have a different deductible for those as well if your plan offers that services. Here's the next question I have for you. Do you know how many deductibles your health insurance plan has and what your total out-of-pocket financial expenses exposure is? Here are some things that you should know about your health insurance deductibles. What are your deductibles' total out-of-pocket expenses? Are your deductibles on a per occurrence or annual basis? Do all of your out-of-pocket medical expenses apply towards your deductible? Catch full episodes for more detailed information on the Profit Trap Podcast, Health Insurance Industry Secrets. Coming March 31st, 2019. Like us, follow us, share us, subscribe to us, and download us. The Profit Trap Podcast, Health Insurance Industry Secrets. You can find us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, our podcast, and the website. Depending on the media venue you are viewing right now, you may find the links below. Get connected today so you don't miss out on any of this must-have, need-to-know information to protect yourself, your family, your assets, and your future.